The biblical new year is here. Are you following the Bible calendar? For years, the God culture has followed the Zadok Way Qumran Calendar, one of the more accurate biblical timekeepers based on discoveries in the Dead Sea Scrolls. This year, an additional 7 days are needed for proper reconciliation into Abib 1, maintaining the cycle of sevens set at creation. Though we have yet to perfect the biblical calendar, what matters most is keeping Yahuah's appointed times. Join us in honoring the feast, just as Paul commanded. Download the full calendar now at thegodculture.org. Stay in tune with the ancient ways. Yah bless.